Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a dish with asparagus. You can see I've got two bundles from the store. These are very good for weight loss. It has got plenty of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and plenty of nutrients. You can see it is a stick-like thing, and the top of the stick is eaten as a vegetable. So I'll remove the rubber bands and you can see the sticks now. It has a special way to be broken. So if you just bend the stick, it will snap at a specific point. So I'm going to show this to you. The lower part is hardy and it cannot be cooked. It's only the upper part which is soft and can be cooked and eaten. You can see if we bend it, it will snap at one point only. So it's very easy. This task is very easy. It can be done very quickly. This is also eaten for curing hangover. It is good for the liver. It has got plenty of amino acids and also good for urinary tract infections. It removes all the toxins from our body. It has got folate. It is anti-inflammatory and helps to produce collagen in our body. So it is good for our hair and our skin. It is also good for the digestive health. It lowers the blood pressure and also good for diabetic patients. It gives us a healthy blood and a healthy skin and a healthy body. If you eat this regularly, it improves our mood, heals our wound, and it's good for our overall health. So you can see I'm still bending and snapping it. So that is the way it is to be cleaned. So the hardy stalk at the lower portion is to be removed. That's the waste. And only the top portion is cooked. I have this plant in my garden, so this year it has not given me the harvest. Hopefully the next year I'll get some harvest. My husband and we like this very much, so whenever we get it, we buy it and cook it. So this can be cooked in various ways. You can roast it, you can also barbecue it, you can add it in your pizza, soups, or there are millions of ways to cook this. We also cook it in the Indian way. That is also tasty. It has got a nutty flavor and tastes very good. So at home we cook it with garlic, pepper and lime juice. So that is the simplest way I am going to make it today. So after we remove the hard part, we need to wash it nicely. You can make this dish within 15 minutes or even 10 minutes. This is how it looks after cleaning. It looks beautiful. You can also use it as a decorative thing in your vases, flower vase. So I'm just cutting this into 3 parts. You can also cook it with the whole length as it is. That way a barbecue and all is done that way. So, but I'm going to chop it into 3 parts. So for me this size is good. The topmost is the flower and the seeds, I guess, that portion. And the lower part is the stalk. So you can see I have cut all the asparagus. You can also use it alongside chicken or mutton or beef or any other dish. So here I have a saucepan. I have taken a big heavy bottom pan. That way we can saute it nicely. So I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So for this dish, olive oil is better. It tastes well with olive oil. I got some 10 cloves. So I'm going to chop it nicely. This dish will have a garlic flavor, so it requires a good amount of garlic pods. So I've taken 10 and I'm going to roughly chop it. So once the oil is heated, you can add the asparagus pieces and saute it with a little bit of salt and pepper according to the taste. The heat is given only by the pepper. You don't add anything else here. It cooks very fast. You can keep sauteing. After it is almost half cooked, we can add garlic. It just takes 10 to 15 minutes only. So it's a quick recipe and also an easy one. They say once you plant asparagus plant, it just remains like that for years together. You can harvest them every year. So I have planted one this year. As it is a mood enhancer, we have it very often in our homes. You don't need to stand there keep sauteing. It just cooks by itself. Adding a little salt now. per your taste. It's half cooked now. I'm adding the garlic which I have chopped roughly. And I have also added some pepper powder. This will have a garlicky flavor. The pepper I'm adding. And just keep sauteing till it is cooked. That is all we need to do. And see how easily it is cooked. Here in US we get it in the markets, in all the stores. So if you get a chance, please do buy and cook and eat it. It's full loaded with nutrition. You can also steam it, or you can cook it in the oven, microwave. I like it very much. It is almost done, and before putting off the stove I am adding a little bit of lime juice. That gives a nice flavor and taste. So that is all. It is almost done. This is a dry dish, so let it dry nicely. Now you can see it is cooked. I put off the stove. I'm taking it in a serving dish. See how easily and quickly it is done. While eating it gives a good crunch, so that way also it is very good. People like eating it. So that is how it looks, shiny and tasty. This won't be very spicy, just mild, and it has a good crunch while chewing it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my video. Please do try this recipe and tell me how it comes. Thank you for watching my video. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.